Moving on to another political update, we're getting to know where after the Jammu and Kashmir CID imposed strict guidelines against the violation of law and order in the valley, the Jammu and Kashmir NC Chief Omar Abdullah and former Chief Minister has in a tweet criticized the decision, saying that guilt or innocence must be proven in court and not based on police reports. This came across as now the former Chief Minister claims that there could be adverse effects, especially for those who need certain clearances when it comes to the application of passports or even when it comes to applying for government services. Now, this is coming at a time when the new notification that is now taken up by the Jammu and Kashmir CID saying that when it comes to certain individuals who are said to be on record participating in anti-national activities such as stone pelting and etc., they will now have a hard time there when it comes to applying for passport and even when it comes to government services, because what is being believed in saying that such kind of visa rules are said to be violated when they travel and for anti-national activities that goes against the interest of the nation. Now, first reaction that is coming across from the former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah, who seems to be suggesting that an adverse police report cannot be a substitute for being found guilty in a court of law, and Jammu and Kashmir police, who were able to create an adverse police report to justify his detention, would never have stood up to the legal challenge. So he's saying basically the point is that when it comes to the police reports there, it cannot be the basis of a judgment of a clean record of an individual or not when it comes to traveling abroad, applying for a passport clearance, or also getting the benefit of the services of government jobs. Now, this is coming across even as the Jammu and Kashmir CID had imposed strict guidelines against the violation of law and order in the valley, where Omar Abdullah is coming out and strongly criticizing the decision, saying that the guilt or innocence of an individual must be proven in court and not on the basis of police reports. Going across to Gursimran now. Gursimran, now this point that has now been raised by Omar Abdullah now seems to be suggesting that when it comes to a clean record, it should not be based on police reports. However, they might want to corroborate with other local police stations. That does not justify the act or the notification given by the Jammu and Kashmir CID.
See, there is no doubt that guilt or innocence is proven in the court of law, but the notification that has come out from the Jammu and Kashmir Criminal Investigation Department, Special Branch Kashmir Wing, it also says that you have to keep in mind certain things, that is local police station record as well as the footages that are available, be it the CCTV footages by the drone or the quadcopter footages. So they have to keep each and everything in mind, and this is exactly how the process is working from the past and how it should exactly work, because you have to keep certain things in mind when you are giving someone a clean sheet that they have no involvement in any anti-national activity. And yes, yesterday's order, they have made it very clear that those who were involved in some way or the other in the anti-national activities will not be given a security clearance, be it for the passport or for the government jobs in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Because there have been several incidents. We have seen how more than 11 employees were shunted out of the services by the Jammu and Kashmir government because they were involved in the anti-national activities. They were involved for a long, but despite the fact that it was known to all that they are sympathizers of terror, they were inducted into the government jobs, and now Jammu and Kashmir government don't want to repeat that mistake again, and that's why they have come out with this order that those who are anti-nationals, those who are indulging into the activities which are against the sovereignty of the Union of India, they should not be given the clearance for the government jobs and passports, so that a strict action be taken against them and they are not enjoying the perks from the Union government or the government of Jammu and Kashmir. So it is as simple as this, but now the politics has started on this as well, as Omar Abdullah has come out with the tweet that be it innocence or the guilty, it can only be
So for the benefit of our viewers there, Gursimran, let's talk about the report in detail. What this new notification by the CID Special Branch of Kashmir has now taken as a stuffed stance on what it is calling the anti-national said to be involved in crimes and goes against the security and the interest of the nation.